everyone, back with another easy keto recipe. We've got a cheddar cheese broccoli steak pasta dish, and this will serve 4 people. Here's what you will need. The little sirloin Philly steaks, it's kind of like Steakums. You get them at Walmart. A package of the frozen riced broccoli, 2 packs of the Sheritalk spaghetti noodles, the double cheddar cheese Regu sauce, pink salt and pepper, a fry pan with spatula, and a 1-cupper. And also you'll need the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Start by taking all 4 steaks and put it into your fry pan. And you want to add over it, there it's a 14-ounce box, so you know. And it is 0 carb. Turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. And now we're going to add the pink salt and pepper to them. And just let that first side cook. While that's cooking, go ahead and heat up your riced broccoli in the microwave. Again, mine takes 6 minutes. And you'll see the photo here. And while that's going, let's go ahead and wash up our noodles in a strainer. There's 2 packs there, and the packages are 8-ounce packages. Put it into your strainer, and then you're going to wash them for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And you see I kind of do a little video here on it. I don't show you the full 2 to 3 minutes, but really get in there with your hands and get all that stuff off. It comes in like a liquid, so you want to wash it all off. Then use kitchen scissors and cut them up because the noodles are pretty long. And then go ahead and flip your steaks. Be kind of watching it in between. They cook fast. Flip them and add more pink salt and pepper. And then eventually you'll see they start to break up. You can use your spatula, but they break up into nice little pieces to make like a Philly sandwich. And then we want to add over the noodles after being rinsed. Add over the heated rice broccoli. And that is a 10-ounce bag. And then add pink salt and pepper. Give this a really good stir. And then we're going to add 1 cup of the double cheddar cheese Regu sauce. And then you're also going to add a 1/2 cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Again, give this a really good stir. And then let it thicken up by turning it on a simmer. Cover it and let it go for about 3 minutes. And then everything should be ready to dish up. It did make 4 servings. I got 2 servings there. The other 2 are in the pan there. And the whole pan was 22 net carbs. So each plate right there is 5.5 net carbs. And really delicious. It's so fun just taking random things and putting them together can make such a delicious dish. So definitely try this out. Try it for your family. Even kids will like this. And always keep it keto.